And here's the look like. Here are the sticks. You open this. Ew. Alright, never been touched. But look, touch. No, it's not. It's just from that cup, look. So here, I think it's a little bit darker or perfect on me, but it's okay because I have some lighter foundation I can match with or customize. And let's check the other one. Okay, and here's the color. This is like a plastic bottle, but it's nice packaging. Let me see. Oh, that's how it works. Wow, that's unique. Look at that. I didn't even notice because I never opened it yet. So, never been touched. Never been used. So, this one, first time on my Tomford. So, this is how it works. You just twist it like that and there's a pump on it. So, those are the pump. And I don't want to start to press it yet because I'm not ready to use. So, I'm gonna check this out if I like it or not. But it's already here. So, I have to use it in the best way. If not a perfect match on me, then if it's too light or it's too dark, I can mix it with my other foundation. I have it here. Okay, so that's all for now.